Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube.
Hello guys, I just thought I'd just show you my summer house here. This is where I'm going to be creating all my hobbies in here. So let me just take you through. At the moment, as you can see, I've just got a pool table here. This is going to be where I'm going to put the train set on. So I'm going to build a layout on that train set there, on that, and then I'm going to move it over to this side here. And so I'm going to be building a whole new model railway over in this behind me here, so come and watch how I do that. And one of the other things I'm interested in is Warhammer, so I'm going to be fixing and maybe showing you some Warhammer stuff and airfix models. Yeah, photography I'm interested in, so yeah, be lots of interesting stuff on this channel.